Hi. So I'm here at Inkaterra, Reserva Amazonica, and I'm going to give you a little kind of walkthrough of the property and into one of the cabanas here, see how different it is from Hacienda Concepcion. So we're walking down here. You'll notice that we're actually on the riverbank. We're not set back in the jungle like you are at Concepcion, and you can see there's I think 36 total cabanas here. They're a bit closer together, and they don't have the the jungle between them. You kind of have more of a sense of privacy at Concepcion, but here you have this beautiful view looking out over the river. So walk down here to the riverbank and have a look. So these along the river are called the Superior Rio Cabanas that have a view out of the river, and then the Superior Cabanas are in the rows here, just one back from the river, and then the suites are further back against the forest. But I'm going to take you into the Superior Rio Cabana, have a look at it. So as you see here, compared to Concepcion, you actually have a little sitting area with your hammocks and chairs here, looking out at the river. There are these privacy shutters that you can close off the sleeping area if you want privacy in the evening as well. So this closes off the entire way. And then here is the bed and mosquito netting, and again these are set with either a king size or can be twin bedded as well. Some little details. Again, this is generator run, so at about 11:30 the electricity goes off, and then you're left with the hurricane lamps for illumination. Again, high thatched roof. There is ceiling fan. There's no air conditioning here because it's just screened in. Again, here you're looking out the river from this one. So overall, these are, I think, a little bit smaller than the cabanas at Concepcion. This is behind the bed area, and then you have kind of a wardrobe on either side here. And then looking into the bathroom, we have the shower. It is hot water, even though you're mostly taking cold showers here because of the heat. And hello, this is the bathroom area. So there's just one sink in these, and then you have the toilet here on the other side. Umbrellas for use, stainless steel water bottles. So really nice, a very different feel from Concepcion, where you're set back into the forest. This is, you have these beautiful river views all on the property, and it's very open and manicured lawns here. So this is a Superior Rio Cabana, and I'm going to go show you a suite now as well. So we're going to go in here and see a Suite Amazonica, which is kind of the next step up from the Superior Cabanas. Here we're walking in, you see it's just much larger, much larger footprint overall. You still have your sitting area with your hammocks and the dividing shutters as well. So this is looking out at the large kind of sitting area with hammocks and chairs. And then this one is currently set up with twin beds rather than the king size. You can see that. Same thing, high airy roofs, got the ceiling fan going on. So this is for some guests that are just arriving. Here you have your robes. Little welcome message from the general manager, Percy. There's one of the clothes hanging areas. And then walking back in the bathroom, so this is a bit more private, since you have this wall here. And then you have double sinks here in this. One side here is the toilet. And then you have your shower as well. So this is in the Suite Amazonica. So just much more space, a bit more private. Again, these aren't on the river, these are set back from the river a ways where the suites are. The suites are in the last row, kind of facing the forest. And we're going to go check out the Tambopata Suite, which is the best category, or the highest category at Reserva Amazonica next. So now we're going to have a look at the highest category cabana here, which is the Tambopata Suite. So here we are, number 19, and again you see this is set back against the edge of the forest, so kind of far away from the river, much more secluded. And this one has a surprise for you in the back, so let's go on in. Pretty much the same layout as the Amazonica Suite in terms of size, so you've got your hammock area, chairs, hammocks. Pretty much same footprint. This one's set up with a king bed. Again, you've got the same privacy shutters you can close off. Ceiling fans are on. And see what we have here. Got flashlights or torches. And then we come back here into the bathroom. Same as the Amazonita suite, but you have a special surprise in that in this you have your own private plunge pool and a veranda in the back. And this is nice cool water. Come back from an excursion, hot and sweaty, jumping in there is fantastic. So this is screened in, a little sitting area. You have outdoor showers here as well in the back once you get out of the plunge pool. And they'll set up actually dinners here for 2 guests on the private patio near the plunge pool if you'd like a candlelit dinner rather than going to the main lodge. And then here you have the toilet, you have the shower area there. So what you're paying for here is this extra plunge pool, which is fantastic. And this is the Suite Tambopata.